We played the most Barrington Levy on Kingston 12. Strictly separation tune. And Barrington was a little youth. And he's singing the tune from his heart. Godfather, make them sure they won't stop. I'm a leading alien. I'm a Jamaican on Jamrock. Every time I open the shop, it always break down. My mama drink it out, my father drink it out. Due to the separation, I got to make life in some other way. Is that the poor man's style? No, is that the Jamrock